How to hide members in WhatsApp group. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to hide members in WhatsApp group. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch WhatsApp app on your device and ensure it's updated to the latest version. Now on your home page, tap the three dots icon at top right corner of the screen. Now select New Group and create a group. You can add members and save it. Now you need to tap on the group and then tap on the group banner at top of the screen. Scroll to the bottom and select Add Group to a community. Here you can create a new community or add your group to an existing community. Tap Get Started button and you can add the picture and add the community name as well. And now tap the arrow at bottom right corner of the screen. And then you have to add members there instead of in the group. This will hide the members' name and numbers from everyone but the admin. So that's how we do it. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.